What is up, YT, YouTube, whatever you want to call it? Playing more Bee Swarm Simulator. My voice is kind of deep, but not that deep as yesterday, so I'm gonna do more simulators, but yeah. Bubblegum's one of my favorites. Ooh, a coin. Is there trading in this game? I wonder. Ooh. Okay, come on, Bee. To run this game, because I'm gonna be doing like jailbreak and stuff, bunch of different games. Oh, I'll climb some parkour. I'm gonna go get that flower. What's up? Die, die, die. Yeah, I'm gonna die. Come on. Okay, yeah, I'm dead. Get out of my game, kid. I'm still gonna snipe you. I'm gonna snipe you from here. Should've thought you better. Oh, shoot. Yeah, run, run. Thank you. Oh, if he kills me from here, if he just jumps, bro, if I fall, then I'm dead. What's this? Royal jelly. What's a royal jelly? No. Ooh. How do I use this? Okay, I'm going to that sparrow. It's for everybody else's. Boom, doo 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 doo. Boom, boom, doo doo doo. Kill the sprout. Boom, boom, doo 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 doo. What does the royal jelly do? You must kill it. Die. Oh, so much money. Hey, that was my coin. Dang. Man, there's so much honey. Oh, yeah. Much good loot. Bro. So much honey. Go for the honey. I think I'm gonna only go for the... I have so much honey right now. Okay, now I have 5,000 honey. Dang. Ooh, I'm gonna do that. Transform. Ooh, I got a demo bee. Nice. Okay, I'm gonna go to the shop, see what I gotta buy. I think I need a new backpack now. Royal jelly's OP. No, that one's too... Okay, I'm gonna buy this one. Yep. Okay, leave. Now I'm gonna go get another egg so my bees could help me. hatch the eggs for it's right here, right? Yep. And that's pretty expensive. Oh, it gets more expensive every single time. Please. Do something good. If I have to legendary, I swear. Wow, why are you bullying me? Okay, yeah. Now I'm gonna go buy a weapon thing, or my rake. New rake. That sprout was so OP. Scooper. I don't know about the clippers. I'll just do this. Clip. Oh, this is pretty OP. The clippers. Okay, time to spam click. Spam! Oh yeah, I love those. What even is that stuff? Okay, I'm gonna search up bee swarm simulator wiki. Okay, yeah, I'm gonna go to the codes. Okay, buzz, nectar, buzz, nectar. Oh my god. What are tickets? Ooh, wax. What? Secret profile. Wait, what is it? Secret profile code. Secret profile code. Club basket. 500 mil. Club basket. Oh no, I spelled it wrong. Club basket. Aw, this game's actually trash. Oh. Roof crawler. Oh, I didn't use link. Okay, yeah, I think that's enough codes. Whoa, I'm a black bear. Come on, make some money. Now I'm really OP. No, I'm not sure. Okay, I bought new stuff. 3,000. Dang. Whoa! How OP is this? A vacuum is overpowered. Come on, make some money. I'm gonna give all my pets treats and stuff. Yeah, boy. Yeah. My bees will become the very best. No one ever was. Yeah. To be the best they will ever have. Give them some treats. Okay, come on, bees. I need to go to the mother bear kid. Oh no, I need to put my egg in there. Please be something good. Ooh, yay. Come on. Yeah, I'm gonna end this video in a bit. Cause I can't have that long videos. Is that mother bear? Pretty sure, right? Yeah. The vacuum is actually overpowered. It's not as OP as last time. Maybe because I'm in a different field. Yeah, here we go. Now we're Microsoft icon yet. It's inspiring. After I finish making all this honey, I'm gonna end the video. Please subscribe, like, and watch, and comment your username down for the giveaway. And bye.